Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I welcome everyone to the general quiz part three, and thank you first of all for participating in the quiz. It was a huge response from your side, and we owe it. We shall start the quiz, and let me hand over the session to the quiz master.
Hello, yes, thanks, Srivarshan and the entire Dr. Quizzing team for having me over and giving me this opportunity to have this quiz. Like Srivarshan says, this is a general quiz. The quiz is about 20 questions on the year 2020. So, all questions will be about news and information which we have come across in the past 1 year. So, with that, let's begin the quiz. Yeah, a little bit about me. My name is Gaurav Datta. I am from Pondicherry, but I have studied in Bombay. Currently, I'm working in Bangalore, and my family is basically from Calcutta. So I like quizzing a bit. Reading, birding, and traveling are some of the other hobbies of mine. Before I start the quiz, another thing, I run this information channel called India Quiz Circuit. We share all updates of quiz events on it. So, in case you're interested, do check it out. Yeah, so now coming to the quiz has 20 questions on news and events in 2020. You are asked to send your answers to your allocated host through private chat along with the question number. I think the list of hosts has already been shared in the WhatsApp group. In case you have any doubts, you can ask now in the chat once, or else I think we are good to go. Allow me to give clues for each and every question. You are only allowed one attempt per question. So wait for me. Wait for me to give clues before you send in your answers. In case of multiple answers, the first answer will only be considered. So it makes sense for you to wait for all the clues I give before you come up with a guess. 5 of these 20 questions are star marked and they will be used to resolve ties. There are absolutely no negatives throughout the entire quiz, so feel free to guess. And don't worry about small variations of spellings and phrases. If there is a slight difference in spellings or the order of the phrases, it will still be considered and points will be given. So, with that, if you all are ready, let's start with the quiz. Yeah, one thing that I would like all of you to remember is if a question has a lot of text, it doesn't necessarily mean it is tough. It just means that more the text, it has more clues in it. I have highlighted the text which is supposed to be the clue, so pay attention to that. Images and videos are also there in the quiz, so that will also serve as clues. And lastly, as a reminder, they are all from 2020. And before a question, I will also tell you what category it is through a title card. So that will also help you narrow down your guesses. So I run the 20 questions, here is a sample question. Just so that you send it along with the question number to your designated host. So the question is, on December 29, 2019, in a match for the Adelaide Strikers in the Big Bash League, Afghanistan all-rounder Rashid Khan used a bat with a new design that has two bumps instead of one. Because of its shape, what was the name given to the bat by cricket fans all over the world? So this is the bat. It was used by Rashid Khan sometime last year and it has got two bumps in it. So what are these bumps resembling, due to which the bat was given a name by cricket fans all over the world? Okay, if you have sent in your answers, the right answer was a camel bat because it has two humps on it. So it reminded everybody of a camel. And Rashid Khan is from Afghanistan. So, like I said, Afghanistan and two bumps, these are the clues. Okay. So, here comes the first question. So, the first question is on technology. Kidnap is a story between Chintu, who has been kidnapped and needs to reach out to his elder brother for ransom, but is unable to since he's in the middle of a meeting at work. And Varis, a tale between Vikram and his rich uncle, who on his deathbed requires the presence of his nephew to pass on his fortune to him. Vikram is, however, busy on a date and neglects all attempts made by his uncle and his manager to contact him. These are the plots of two short film ads released this year by which company to showcase a new feature. So, which company came with two ads called Kidnap and Varis? I have given you the stories of both those short film ads. Look at the storyline and take a calculative guess of what the company could be. And what is the feature which they are trying to promote through these short film ads? So, there are two parts to this question. The first part is a name of a technology company, and the second part is a feature which they are trying to promote. All right, so Kailash asks for clues. Okay, so this is a company which all of us are very well aware, and we all use it on a regular day-to-day basis. So think of what the words reach out and neglects to contact him could mean. Assume that you are, say, in a position, let's say, like Chintu, who has been kidnapped by bad guys and is trying, and you are trying to reach out to your elder brother. What would you normally do? Or say you are on your deathbed and trying to contact your nephew. What would you normally do? So that should give you an idea of what category the app is or the technology company is. And whenever you try to contact someone and neglect them, what is your second action which you usually do? Let's say you are trying to contact, or someone is trying to contact you, and you neglect them. So, what immediately does the other person usually do in that case? So, that would be a good clue for the feature.
Sir, actually I joined now. Sir, can you please tell what feature are you looking for?
So, this is a technology company. So, they have recently in the year 2020 included a new feature in one of their products, in their main product. So, the feature is something which will come into use when, let's say, someone is trying to contact you and you are busy or you want to ignore or neglect the person. So immediately this feature helps to avoid confusion and helps communicate in a way. Okay, so enough time on one question. So if you have any guess, think of a technology company and think of what would you normally do when someone neglects or ignores your efforts to reach out. Moving on.
Or does me want to explain it? Explain the answer?
Yeah, a few keywords will do.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, so it also has, so these are the posters of the two short film ads. So this one is Kidnap So it says one call, two outcomes, savior or failure. And this is Varis. So look at these images. They would also help as a clue. All right, moving on. The second question is on cricket. What is India's jersey in the current series against Australia inspired by? What is India's jersey in the current series against Australia inspired by? So here you see Natarajan on the left and Kohli on the right. They are both wearing the current jersey on their tour to Australia. So I want you to tell me, what is this jersey inspired by?
Sorry to interrupt. Please send your answer with the question number. It will be confusing for us. I repeat again, please send the answer with the question number.
Okay, can we move on? Okay, moving on. The next question. Okay, Kanishka asks for a clue. Okay. So Kanishka, I want you to think of a time when the Indian team went to Australia. So that is why you see Australia highlighted in a separate color. So Australia is a very good clue for this question. So I want you to think of a time when India went to Australia. So that should help you deduce a guess. Moving on.
For that time period will do.
Yes, I'm looking for a kind of a specific answer. So don't give me a very broad answer saying last 50 years or something. Give me a little specific answer. That will do. Moving on. The next question is on culture. Excuse me, whoever is Selva Raghavan, can you please stop sending me annotation requests? It keeps popping and I'm clicking decline. I've already clicked decline 10 times. Thank you. Yeah, so this is a question on culture. Sossegado, which comes from the Portuguese word for quiet, refers to a state of contentment and laid-back culture in Goa for enjoyment of life to the fullest. Keeping this in mind, Vijay Sardesai, a politician for the Forward Party, has promised the public to make something a law if he is elected to power in the upcoming elections. What is it which he believes can improve performance and memory, lift the mood, make people more alert, and reduce the chances of heart attacks? I am looking for a certain thing which you can associate with Goa, because you can think of what people normally do in Goa. It has a very quiet, content, and laid back culture. So, keeping that in mind, Vijay Sardesai is thinking of making it a law, as in, although currently it is not illegal or anything, he wants to make it legal. Like that will become a rule of the land. So he wants to make it as a law. So think of laid back, quiet. How do you picture people in Goa when they go on a trip or a vacation? And doing this, he believes, can improve performance of memory, lift the mood, make people more alert, and reduce the chances of heart attacks. So this is something which is common, which is there all across the world. It is not something which is done only in Goa, but in Goa it is more common. So that is why it is a part of like a culture in Goa, because if you go over there, you would see it happening a lot more than in other parts of the world. Okay, think of laid back. Laid back is a very good clue. So, what could this laid back attitude be? What is he trying to make as a law? Okay, moving on. The next question is a question on cinema, and this is specifically a question on Tamil cinema. What is common to the names of the companies which produced these 4 Tamil films in 2020? So I will show you 4 Tamil films. They have been produced by 2 companies. I want you to tell me what is common to the names of these 2 companies. So the first movie is Ponmagal Vandal. The second movie is Surarai Potru. The third movie is Naan Sirital. And the fourth movie is Nanga Romba Busy. For people who are not into Tamil movies or don't know Tamil, I would say that don't worry. You don't have to know anything about these movies or have watched these movies to get the answer.
சார் நாங்க ரொம்ப பிஸி சார்.
Yes, so Nanga Romba Busy is the fourth movie. Naan Sirital is the third movie. Surarai Potru is the second movie, and the first one is Ponmagal Vandal. So these films have been produced by 2 companies. Like Ponmagal Vandal and Surarai Potru has been produced by one company. Naan Sirital and Nanga Romba Busy has been produced by another company. So I want you to tell me what is common to the names of these 2 production companies.
OTT.
Yeah, please don't answer on the mic. I request you to mute. Answer to
Yeah.
your respective hosts only. Okay, let's.
Your mic.
Yeah, so I think I'm taking a lot of time. I will be rushing through the remaining questions, or else I think this quiz will extend longer than I'd intended to. So yeah, think of what could be the connection. And production company example is, let's say Maniratnam has Madras Talkies. So similarly, what production company could these be? Moving on, fifth question is on sports. Earlier this year, Srinivasa Gowda from the town of Moodabidri in Karnataka attracted the attention of the Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju for his world-class feat. As a result, he was invited by the Sports Authority of India to teach running techniques to the athletes. Which sport is he related with, and what is his claim to fame?
சார் ஒலிம்பிக்ஸ்.
So this is again a sports question. So tell me what sport he's associated with. The clues are running techniques and Karnataka. So think what happens in Karnataka where a lot of running is involved. Is what the sport is what I'm looking for. And why was he in the news? What is his claim to fame? So he did something very special. He was all over the news, which is why Kiran Rijiju, the sports minister, and a lot of other people noticed him. And he was asked to teach running techniques to the athletes. So again, a 2-part question. This is a star mark question. So answer both the parts. One is for sport and other is for his achievement. Yeah, so this is Srinivasa Gowda. This also should help you arrive at what exactly the sport is which he does. You can connect him and what he is and how he is posing. That should be a good clue. Okay, in the interest of time, I will. Abhijit, please delete your answer. You've posted it on the general chat. Moving on. The next question is on comics. On whose life is this Amar Chitra Katha comic based upon? So this was Amar Chitra Katha comic which was released this year. Here is the first panel of the comic, which says, born in Ahmedabad on 12th August 1919 into a wealthy and influential family of industrialists, Dash was sixth of 8 siblings. So you can see his child face in this comic, and on the right panel you see him grown up, and it says, a boy so deeply in love with science that he spent hours pondering its secrets, and when he grew up, propelled India into the space age. Yes, Stella, which question do you need a clue? And Kanishka. There are enough clues in this question as well. So he is from Ahmedabad. He was born in 1919. So he is a pretty old guy, definitely not from this generation. And he had a fascination for space. So you here on the right panel, you see him. Behind him, you see rockets flying, and you see one of India's space satellites, Aryabhata, as well. So that should give you a good clue. Moving on, question 7. This is a question on environment. A new species of spider wearing a striking red that stands out against a white background was discovered in Iran on June 2020. After which person, very much in the news back in the months of Jan and Feb, for having received a plethora of awards, are these spiders named? So there is an image as well for this question. So here is the spider. This was discovered sometime in June this year. Because of the red color on its body, along with a white background, it made scientists think of someone who was very much in the news this year in January and February, because the person won a lot of awards.
Sir, can you show the question slide?
Yeah. Yeah, the clues are red with white background and a person who won lot of awards in January and February. That is all you need to know. Red with white background. Think of a person with red with white and won a lot of awards in January and February.
Sir, can I name the person after whom it is named?
Yeah, that is what I need. I need the name of the person. After which person is the question. I am looking for a name of a person. A real life person.
Can you please wait before moving to the slide?
Okay, we are actually running a bit behind time. I will give you another 10 seconds and I will move on. Because a lot of people have already got the answer and I guess they are waiting. Okay, I think that should be sufficient time. Moving on. The next question is on politics. Okay, so this is about everything about politics of the year 2020. The following pic shows Shyamala Gopalan, a biologist and civil rights activist from Chennai, India, along with her parents P.V. Gopalan and Rajam, and her 2 daughters. If her younger daughter is named Maya, who is her elder daughter known to have achieved a certain first in the year 2020? There is an image in the next slide. So here you see her along with her parents and her 2 daughters. The youngest daughter, Maya, is on the left. The elder daughter is on the center. So I want you to tell me who this person is.
Sir, can we go to the question slide also?
Can you please show the question slide, please?
Yeah. Shyamala Gopalan.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, so I will just say what the question in the next slide was. So this is Shamala Gopalan in the center. She is a scientist. So in this picture, she's a scientist and she's basically from Chennai. So in this, she is along with her two parents and her two daughters. I want you to tell me the name of her eldest daughter. That is all the question is. It is a quiz on 2020 and this question is on politics. So think
No
about... Okay, someone said no clues. Last, I'll give you another 5 seconds. And I'll move on to the next question. Yeah, the person whose answer I'm looking for achieved a certain first in 2020. Her eldest daughter was the first to do something in 2020. Okay, moving on. The next question is on art. So these are some artworks. So you see Sarah age 11, Lucy age 12, Cormac age 11, Fleur age 9 and Esme age 10. Okay, now let me go on to the question. The following are 5 of the 35 artworks by children across the world chosen among thousands of others submitted in November this year. Where are these submissions featured? The artworks which you saw in the previous slide are featured somewhere. I want you to tell me where they are featured.
Can you show the previous slide once more?
Yeah. Here is the previous slide. All the clues are in this slide. So look closely at every artwork. You might get the answer. No, Stella, I am not looking for a place. I am...
Question number. Sir, question number.
This is question number 9. Yeah, so Stella asked, do you want place or city? The answer is neither a place or a city. Since it's an artwork, it is featured somewhere else. So that is a good clue for you to think.
Can you show me the question, please?
Okay. Can you mute your mic? Someone's mic is on. Padmashri. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so moving on. The next question is on science. 200 years ago, the organization was founded to promote a new branch of physics by William Herschel in London with the approval of the then Emperor King William IV. To celebrate their 200th birthday this year, the logo, which had remained unchanged since their inception, underwent a redesign. The new circular logo with stepped spokes has multiple meanings such as an eye, a ticking clock to denote the passage of time, etc. Which organization is this? And what did William Herschel discover in 1781, making him famous overnight? There is an image as well. Let me go to that. So on the left, you see the old logo, and here is the new logo. Okay, the animation also helps as a clue. If you want, I'll play it again.
Bro, sorry to interrupt. The meeting will end in 5 more minutes, and I request everyone to join the meeting with the same link which was sent before. I repeat, the meeting will end in 5 more minutes. Scorers, please make a note of all the answers sent before because it won't be there, and you're asked to join with the same link which was sent before. Thank you.
When should we join again? Can I know when should we join again?
Right now. Immediately.
Not right now. The meeting will end automatically. Once it ends, you can join. There are
Okay,
still
great.
5 more minutes. Continue.
So can I finish this question or do I wait for the meeting?
Yeah,
to-
you can. Okay.
Okay, so I'll quickly explain what this question is.
Can you please
So
go
I'm
to
looking for an
previous-
organization started to promote a new branch of physics. So think about branches of physics. It was approved by the emperor. So the organization therefore has the approval of the emperor in its name. Okay, so it was started 200 years back and the logo remained unchanged till 2020. So for 200 years they had this logo on the left which you see, and it was unchanged. So this year they came up with a new logo, and this new logo was created because it had multiple meanings behind the logo. So some common meanings are it looks like an eye and it denotes the ticking of passage of time. So if you look at the logo, so these spokes resemble a passage of time and this looks like an eye. So you see a pupil and you see all this, and it also has another meaning which will help you arrive at the organization. It's question number 10. We are halfway done through the quiz.
What all answers do you want?
I want the name of the organization, or what is it that it is trying to promote? Which branch of physics is it trying to promote? So the old logo also has a very good clue. If you look at what is being shown in the old logo, that is a very good clue.
Sir,
And William Herschel became famous in 1781 because he discovered something. Overnight is another clue of what William Herschel discovered. So I want you to tell me, what did William Herschel discover in 1781? So I will see if I can go to one more question before it ends.
Sir,
Here is the 11th question. It is about business. Along with Nirmala Sitharaman and Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, she is one of the only 3 women and youngest Indian in the Forbes World's 100 Most Powerful Women list. She is the daughter of which famous businessman from Tiruchendur in Tamil Nadu? This is the person. She is one of the 3 people in this year's Forbes 100 Women list. I have given you the names of 2 women. I want you to tell me who her father is. Don't tell me her name. Tell me who her father is, who is from Tiruchendur in Tamil Nadu.
Bro, question on.
Yeah, I'm telling you the question. So this lady which you see on your screen is one of the 3 persons who are in the list of most powerful women released by Forbes this year. Okay, so she's a very famous person. I want you to tell me who. Question number is 11, I think. One second. Yeah,
Will
this
you
is
show
question
a
number
recap
11.
after the quiz is over? Will you show a recap?
No,